Patrick drives a stick shift car.
6 speeds. Toyota Tacoma.
It's really hot today, babe.
Thanks.
It is, yes. Love you.
Love you too.
Let's get a little kiss in here. Let's not kill ourselves. And we have made our descent off the freeway to the Bates Nut Farm. We're still, how long? Still 20 minutes away, so it's gonna be 20 minutes of riding in the hills.
Like Game of Thrones, baby.
Like Game of Thrones in California. Hundreds of years later. I love little mini road trips. You too, babe? They're so nice. And Patrick's always the driver, which I like even more.
That means you can sleep.
That means I get to sleep on the way back.
Ariana's gonna take a nap.
Not this time, it's only 45 minutes. Sure! Check out that orange grove. It's like going for okay, you guys, so it is pretty country out here.
Country bumpkin.
Let's
Steak,
show you.
eggs, potatoes, corn-fed beef. Got horses in the stables.
They got them horses out here.
Billy goats.
We made it.
Look at the pumpkins growing.
Yeah, look at all the pumpkins. They're still growing. There's people camping out here too, which is pretty cool, but I'm not about the camp life.
Remember when we came out here, there was no grass?
Yeah, there was not grass when we came out the last time. They've been putting in work.
So this is a life in Valley Center.
Those are little donkeys.
Frog.
They're like mini horses.
Oh,
It's gonna do
oh, look at that.
They do that to cool down.
Look at it.
Patrick the Goat Whisperer. Bye, Mr. Goats. See you later. So we finally made it to the Bates Nut Farm, and to our, I guess, your left, my right, we have all the beautiful food trucks. So, let's go eat. Ooh, organic food.
Called the Grand Lobster mac and cheese.
Don't panic, there's plenty of barbecue for everyone. Look at their menu. They have tons of brisket. I do not know what to get. I'm definitely getting something from here though. Tell them what we ended up getting.
Today we got the barbecue beef brisket sandwich with mac and cheese, 3 types of cheeses, grilled onions, and sourdough bread, Cool Ranch Doritos, and a Coca-Cola. It's lit.
Ready? Look at this thing. Oh my god, you have to eat that.
About to take another bite of this delicious barbecue beef brisket.
Oh my god. Look at all that.
Wash it down with some of the soap. Sometimes in life, you gotta score yourself, okay? Today, I'm an MVP.
Missile, my missile. Where are you?
Gotta take a dump.
Gotta take a dump in the outhouse. Yay! We're in the store. The store is literally worth driving up here in itself. Look at all this Halloween stuff.
And We almost missed it. It closes at 5 p.m.
Yeah, and it's 4:30 right now, so we only have 30 minutes in here. Look at how cute everything is. I want to buy everything. Okay, she is pretty freaky. This one too. Nice schnoz, lady. Ooh. Hello there. Hi.
Ari is dead set on buying something. What do you want, babe? Anything. I'll buy you anything you want.
How do we get this? Ooh, look at all this candy. Candy for days. Watermelon, cotton candy, lime, lemon, cherry, raspberry, grape.
Ari's currently in heaven.
I would.
Saw this
I think I would like watermelon. Yummy stuff.
delightful things.
So we need to find our pecans. Which way are the nuts?
They got tea.
Pumpkin spice, basic.
I saw gunpowder. Not that kind of gunpowder.
Okay, I think we're getting closer to the nuts. Look at all these different hot chocolates. So cool. Salted caramel, French vanilla bean, truffle, maple, mocha, yum.
That
Oh my gosh.
looks good.
So good. Should we get one? If we get one,
No.
If we get one, then I'm gonna eat it.
No.
Even have one with gummy worms on it.
No. I wonder how hot this hot sauce is.
I don't know. I don't really believe it. Sometimes they say it's hot. It's really not that hot.
What? Hot sauce from where? HE double hockey sticks?
Pitted prunes.
Pitted prunes?
I'm close. I think we found the nuts. And I think Ariane found
I found them.
pecans.
So I don't know if we're supposed to get the halves or the pieces, but I think it's the halves. But let's double check.
Now remember, we're going to be making a pumpkin pecan pie tonight, so we're going to have to look at the directions and see what they say. What's Ari talking about?
Look, we have soup. Vegetable soup mix.
Soup.
And chili mix. Chicken stew, sausage and lentil. I just want to buy everything. And here, to my right, we have the jam. And butter. Sweet potato butter, blackberry butter, apple butter, oh my god. Strawberry rhubarb spread. You want to get some? Which one should we get?
How about this one? Green jalapeno pepper
Oh,
jack.
nice.
Assorted chocolate candies.
Dark chocolate caramelized
I don't know about dark chocolate.
Almonds?
I don't know if we're going to eat those.
milk chocolate. Now we're going to take our pecan halves and we are going to make a pumpkin pecan pie.
I can't wait.
Yummy.
I'm ready.
The first thing you'll need to make your pumpkin pecan pie is one unbaked 9-inch deep dish pie shell. Next, you'll be needing 1 can of pumpkin. For the pumpkin layer, you're only going to need 1 cup of the puree. Then you'll want to add half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, bam. Lastly, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. You're going to mix it on a medium-high setting. Then after it's mixed, you're going to pour it into the unbaked pie dish and smooth it out. For the pecan layer, we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of light corn syrup, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and mix it thoroughly. Once your mixture is thoroughly blended, it's time to add our pecans from the Bates Nut Farm to the mixture and fold them in, like so. Now we are going to pour over our pecan mixture onto the pumpkin layer and smooth it out a little. Now it's time to put our beautiful creation in the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. Well, it looks like this Bad Larry's ready to come out of the oven. Let's see it. This was one of the easiest and most delicious pies I've ever made, hands down. I hope you all enjoyed our vlog and our baking. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you again soon. Bye!